Hey everyone! Are you ready to transform your hair in just 60 seconds? Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a gorgeous infinity braid that's perfect for any occasion. The infinity braid isn't just stunning, it's incredibly easy to learn. Whether you're heading to a party, going to work, or just want to look fabulous at home, this braid effortlessly adds that perfect touch of beauty. 1. The infinity braid is a creative twist on a classic braid, forming a lovely, flowing pattern that resembles the infinity symbol. It looks intricate but is actually quite simple to make too. You don't need to be a hairstyling pro to master this braid. It's versatile enough for both casual and formal events, making it suitable for everyone. 3. You can pick up the infinity braid in under a minute, yes, just 60 seconds. This makes it ideal for those busy mornings or last-minute plans. 4. You won't need any fancy tools or products. Just grab a hair tie, and maybe a few bobby pins if you want to secure it a bit more tightly. 1. Start with brushed hair, ensuring it's tangle-free. 2. Divide your hair into 2 equal sections. 3. Cross the right section over the left, then take a small piece from the left section and bring it over to the right. 4. Keep repeating this, alternating sides until you reach the end. 5. Secure it with a hair tie, and you're all set. Be careful not to pull too tightly, you want the braid to look relaxed and effortless. Ensure your sections are even, uneven pieces can make the braid look messy. It might take a few tries to get it just right, so don't get discouraged. And there you have it. A beautiful infinity braid in just 60 seconds. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy hair tips. Happy styling, everyone! Hey there, beautiful people! Are you looking for a stunning hairstyle that's easy to create at home? Today, we're diving into the infinity braid, a gorgeous look you can master in under a minute. So, why should you learn the infinity braid? This hairstyle isn't just pretty, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're heading to a party, enjoying a casual day out, or gearing up for a workout, an infinity braid can effortlessly elevate your look while keeping your hair neat and tidy. 1. The infinity braid is a beautiful twist on the classic braid, resembling the infinity symbol and adding a unique flair for any occasion too. No matter your skill level, this style is simple enough for anyone to try. No complicated techniques involved. 3. Always on the go? You'll love how quickly you can create this braid. It takes less than a minute, so you can step out looking fabulous without any hassle. 4. The infinity braid can be dressed up or down. You can add accessories for a polished look or keep it simple. It's suitable for any style you prefer. Alright, let's get into how to create your own infinity braid. 1. Brush your hair to remove any tangles for a nice, smooth base. 2. Divide your hair into 2 equal parts. 3. Cross the left section over the right, then bring the right section under the left to form a loop. 4. Loop the left section around the right, alternating sides until you reach the end of your hair. 5. Use a hair tie to secure the end, and voila! You've created a lovely infinity braid. Be mindful of these common pitfalls, avoid pulling too hard. A loose braid looks more natural and is easier to manage. Make sure your hair is smooth before starting to prevent tangling. Follow each step carefully for the best results. Rushing can lead to a messy braid, and that's it. You've unlocked the secret to effortless infinity braids. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to enhance their braid skills. Until next time, stay beautiful. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the gorgeous infinity braid, one of the most stunning hairstyles you can easily create at home. Stick around, because I'll share some common mistakes to avoid, ensuring you can rock this look effortlessly. Why should you care about the infinity braid? This beautiful hairstyle is perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to a party or just want to feel fabulous at home. Plus, it's simple enough for anyone to master with a little practice. 1. The infinity braid features a looped pattern resembling the infinity symbol. It blends elements of braiding and twisting, giving it that unique look. Point 2. This style works best with medium to long hair. Shorter hair can make those loops tricky to achieve, and slightly textured hair tends to hold the braid better than super silky strands. Point 3. Even sectioning is key. If your sections are too thick or thin, it can throw off the whole look. A good rule of thumb is to keep them about the width of your pinky finger. Point 4. Keep your braid snug but not overly tight. Pulling too hard can cause discomfort and ruin that effortless vibe we're aiming for. Point 5.